Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So, today I'm going to be doing a relaxing outside clean with me, starting with cleaning the windows and the French doors. These are all the products that I'm using to clean the windows and doors with. So, first off, I'm just brushing down the windows and getting rid of any cobwebs and just dirt in general. Next, I'm using the sponge I showed you guys with my warm water and washing up liquid mix to wipe down all of the frames of the windows. I'm using the scrubber side of the sponge to do this, and I absolutely love these sponges. You've probably seen me use them before for deep cleaning. They're super cheap. You can find them in Poundland, and they are the flash sponges. They come in a 2-pack. So after I've cleaned everything down, I'm just using the softer side of the sponge to wipe away the soapy water and also wipe the windows with this soft side as well. Also, to ensure I've got rid of all the soapy water fully, I'm just rinsing it all off with the hose and allowing it to dry while I get on with the French doors. Here I'm doing exactly the same as I did on the windows, just brushing everything down first and then going in with the soapy water to clean it all. Okay, going back to the window, I'm using, you guys guessed it, my favourite blue sponge from the Spontex kitchen cleaning kit, and I'm using this with the elbow grease to wipe down all the white frames. Then for the glass, I'm using the elbow grease glass cleaner that I've been really loving lately, and I'm using that with the yellow cloth from the same Spontex kitchen kit pack. Moving on to the patio and pergola area. Now this needed a good sweep up as there is a fern tree next door that kind of hangs over the pergola and it likes to shed a lot, especially in the winter. So I just used a dustpan and brush, which I keep in the shed, to brush this all up. And you guys, I would have used a broom to do this and it probably would have been a lot quicker. However, our broom is broken, so hey, you've just got to work with what you've got right now. I will link our pergola and garden tour that I posted, I think last year, if you guys want to see our full garden. We actually made this pergola and I really love sitting in it. Well, Ben and I both do. It's just such a lovely area that catches the evening sun. Once everything had been swept up, I like to go over the tiles with the hose just to clean up any green stains and bird poo. Then I go back in with the brush over any stubborn stains to get rid of them fully. Cleaning the patio furniture was my next task. Here I'm doing exactly the same as I've done with the windows and the tiles, is I just brush everything down and then wash it all over with the hose. Finally, my last task that I wanted to tackle in the garden was cleaning and just trimming back our bedding area where all our plants are. Now, I'm no keen gardener, but I do love my hydrangeas. So here I'm just snipping all the dead flowers off and trimming back our green bushes. Then going back to the pergola area, I just lifted up all the weeds and washed all the slate down, ready for the lovely bank holiday weekend. So I did do all these tasks over a couple of days because it was quite a lot, but I hope this gives you some inspiration and motivation to clean up your garden, especially for the beautiful bank holiday weekends. I hope you guys are all well and staying safe at home and just enjoying the nice weather. And give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video, guys. Take care. Bye.